Itong hinahawakan ko is Goddess of Mercy and Wishes. Ito ay si Kuan Yin or Kuan Yin Ma. So, I will never forget this because my late dad introduced this specific goddess to me kasi nung bata pa ako, so meron kaming altar. Tapos meron kaming may iba't ibang nakalagay na mga goddess in Chinese traditional culture or sa feng shui. Ito, meron kaming Kuan Yin Ma or Kuan Yin. So, ito talaga napaka-epektibo because this one is cleansed, blessed, and energized by our feng shui experts to attract positive energy inside your home. Harmonious na pamumuhay, tapos kung gusto nyo na maging prosperous as well, abundance and wealth talagang papasok sa loob ng inyong pamumuhay, dapat meron kayong Kuan Yin or Kuan Yin Ma. So ito, napaka-affordable lang, blessed and cleansed and energized by our feng shui experts. Nasa baba po yan ng yellow basket natin or ng video na to. I-click lang ang yellow basket para makapag-purchase ka para ikaw din ay dapuan ng swerte.